The Ragstone roll-up electronic drum set offers a surprisingly complete mini kit layout with multiple drum and cymbal pads, plus separate foot pedals, so beginners can practice real drum coordination. Its flexible silicone surface rolls up easily, and the built-in rechargeable battery delivers long sessions away from a wall outlet, making it very convenient for travel or small spaces. The integrated dual stereo speakers produce clear, punchy sound that is more than adequate for casual practice and for kids enjoying their first rhythms. A headphone output and simple recording function let you practice quietly and capture short ideas, which is especially useful in apartments or shared rooms. MIDI and auxiliary connectivity mean you can hook it to phones, tablets, or computers to play along with songs or use it as a compact controller for music software. The food-grade silicone pads feel comfortable, respond well to light stick work, and the overall design makes this a fun, approachable way for children and adults to explore drumming without a bulky acoustic kit.